How to manage who can call you in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can prevent unknown people from calling you in your Microsoft Teams account. So in this video, I will be laying out the detailed steps on how you can do this. So the first step is to simply click onto these three dots present here just besides your profile picture, and once you click onto this you will see this menu which appears, and from this menu choose settings. Now within the settings page you will see different options from here you can choose privacy, and within the privacy you have this option that says manage who can call you. When your contact on Teams is selected, non-contacts will not be able to call you on Teams. So it has two options, either your contact or anyone. So if you will choose it to anyone, then anyone, whether or not they are in your contact, they will be able to call you. So for best privacy, you can choose the first option, that is your contacts, and only the person in your contact will be able to call you. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.